This can be obtained by multiplying the degree by 60, then add the result to the remaining minute. Take note of both d-long name and d-long name. This can be a useful guide in solving the true course. Solve for theta. The formula for solving theta is tangent theta is equal to d-long divided by dmp. Solve for course. Southwest indicates that theta is in the third quadrant, so the formula for solving course is 180 degrees plus theta. Solve for distance. The formula for solving distance is simply distance is equal to d-log divided by cosine theta. Position 1. Latitude 49 degrees 10 minutes north, longitude 12 degrees 30 minutes west. Position 2. Latitude 25 degrees 15 minutes north, longitude 26 degrees 50 minutes west. Going south. Going west. D-lot. DMP. DLO. Theta. The formula for solving course in the third quadrant is course equal to 180 degrees plus theta. Distance. Example 2. A vessel steams 40 degrees true for 2,300 miles from a position 39 degrees 37 minutes south, 47 degrees 28 minutes west. Find the arrival position. Solve for theta. If the course is less than 90 degrees, the formula is theta is equal to course. And because theta is in the first quadrant, so therefore, theta is equal to north 40 degrees east. Solve for difference of latitude. The formula is difference of latitude is equal to distance multiplied by cosine theta. Distributing the value 2,300 minutes multiplied by cosine 40 degrees. The result is 1,761.9 minutes north. Converting it to degrees, difference of latitude is equal to 29 degrees 21.9 minutes north. Solve for latitude 2. Latitude 1 is equal to 39 degrees 37.0 minutes south. Subtracted by the difference of latitude, which is equal to 29 degrees 21.9 minutes north. The result is latitude 2 is equal to 10 degrees 15.1 minutes south. Solve for DMP. The MP value of latitude 1 is 2,577.8. Subtracted by the MP value of latitude 2 is 614.2. The result value is the DMP, which is equal to 1,963.6. Solve for difference of longitude. The formula is difference of longitude is equal to DMP multiplied by tangent theta. Distributing now the following value. 1,963.6 multiplied by tangent 40 degrees. The result is 1,647.7 minutes east. Converting it to degrees, the result will be difference of longitude is equal to 27 degrees 27.7 minutes east. Solve for longitude 2. Longitude 1 is equal to 47 degrees 28.0 minutes west, subtracted by difference of longitude, which is equal to 27 degrees 27.7 minutes east. The result is longitude 2, which is equal to 20 degrees point 3 west. Arrival position. Latitude 2 is equal to 10 degrees 15.1 minutes south. Longitude 2 is equal to 20 degrees point 3 minutes west. Position 1. Latitude 39 degrees 37 minutes south. Longitude 47 degrees 28 minutes west. Going north. The course is less than 90 degrees. Clear enough that the theta is in the first quadrant. Distance. D-Lot. DMP. Going east. DLO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.